How to do live match with someone on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you want to head over to the live section. Now, TikTok Live Match lets you co host with another creator in real time, and it's a very good way to earn more gifts as compared to only going live alone. So, if you want to do that, first you have to go live on your own. So, for that, tap on the Go Live button. Then you want to tap on the host icon, which is at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you're going to find a list of hosts that you can invite. So, you simply want to tap on the invite button to invite any one of them. So once the host has joined, you have to wait for some time and keep an eye on the comment section. After some time, you'll find the option that says invite the host to a match, and you simply want to tap on the invite button. Once the invite has been accepted, you can do live match with that host. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.